everyone, and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. Today I'm going to talk about my roasted red pepper soup. Super easy to make, and right now I have such an abundance of peppers. In fact, I think I talked about freezing them a few Wednesdays back. But this is a great, simple meal to have frozen in the fridge, ready to go. So basically you're going to take your mirepoix, which is onion, garlic, carrot, and celery, and you're going to sauté it in a pan like this with some of my olive oil, some herbes Provence, salt and pepper. Then take some tomatoes, your roasted peppers, and cut them up and put them in and sauté along with that. Add a little bit of veggie broth. This is my homemade veggie broth. And then you just simmer that, get it a little bit hot, and then you stick it in the Vita-mix. And when it's all finished, you're gonna get this beautiful puree of roasted red pepper soup. Mine's a little bit like an orangish color because I have so many dark mushrooms and fun stuff in my broth. But it can be really red if you use a clearer broth. Anyway, it's beautiful, it's yummy, stay sure, strong, and steady. Get those peppers roasted and make up some hot soup for a nice winter dinner.